So we're gonna tell you how to clean the machine. First you open this door, then you keep this up, and as you know how to take the container out, just simply pick it up and slide it up. In a similar fashion, you're gonna take all the 4 containers out and make sure you wipe this whole segment. And once it's done, how to clean these mixer bowls is that you take these cups out like this, and then you can just simply pop these out, take them all out at once. Once all these mixer bowls are open, make sure you take this water inlet, the first one in the front, out, and then simply pressing this lock, the whole segment is gonna come out, and then you can just use a jet spray or something to clean it up. And then the next thing when it comes to cleaning is you take this dip tray out. You can open it like this and make sure all the water is out, and just wipe it with a clean and wet cloth. Then you can just simply put it back in. After this is done, make sure there must be some spillage of powder here, so you make sure you clean this part with a soft and clean cloth. Okay, now how to put this whole part back in. First you need to slide this part in this silver. It locks in automatically. Then you gotta make sure that every pipe, every mixer bowl is connected to the length of its pipe. And once you put this inside this water inlet, make sure it's well inside, and then you can just pop this lock up. In a similar fashion, you can do it for all these mixer bowls. Once the mixer bowls are set, they should not move, because if they move, the water is gonna come out of these back of the mixer bowl, which is not good for the machine. Once it's done, you can just simply put their cap back on top, and voila, it's done. After you set up all these 4 parts, make sure you put this water pipe back in, because if not, you won't get the hot water out of the machine.